Hello everyone, welcome to part 146 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 8. So we will continue working on the orders module, in which we are going to work on the order invoice. Okay, so I have shown you that in last few videos we able to process the COD order, we able to maintain the history of the order, and we able to update the status as well, and email will go with every status. Complete order details we are showing in admin panel as well, and we are showing order products as well. But now we also require order invoice as well. So without order invoice you can't process the order. So you want the order invoice that you can put inside your order box for your user, and you can also give that order invoice to your courier partner as well. Okay, because we are assigning the courier partner here as well. You can see the tagging number and courier partner, but that courier partner also wants the order invoice, and that same order invoice you are going to put the inside the box, inside the courier box that you are going to deliver to the user. Okay, so without this order invoice our COD process is incomplete. Okay, so for the COD with the see, if you want to make your e-commerce website live, you can do it with the COD as well, and that must have order invoice. So after creating the order invoice you can start making your website live, and you can start your business as well. After that we will work on PayPal as well, and PayPal will not take much time. Then with the help of COD as well as PayPal, you can start your business. Okay, so let's do the order invoice. Let's start working on the order invoice. And first of all I'm going to show you the orders. These are the orders, and you can see the latest orders are showing at the top. And whenever you will update the order to the shipped status, then we are going to show the here order invoice link as well. And for that we are going to update this orders blade file. So let's open the orders blade file, and we are going to add the link for we are going to add the link for that print link we're going to give. So we are going to give here view order invoice here like this, and FA here it will come print. We will give the print label, that is our font fsum, and we're going to check. See, this is the order invoice. See, this is the icon for the order invoice, but we are going to show only for the shipped status, not for the other status. Only for the shipped and delivered status we can give this one. So we are going to add the condition here at the rate of if order status is equal to shipped, or even we can give to like delivered also, or if the order status is delivered. In both cases we are going to show the order invoice, otherwise it is not required to show the order invoice. See, only for those orders that are shipped or delivered, order invoice we are going to show. Like this order is shipped, we are showing the order invoice, and this order is delivered, we are showing the order invoice. This order is shipped, we are showing the order invoice. Okay, so only for those orders that are shipped or delivered we are going to show the order invoice. Now we will open the orders controller in admin, and we are going to create the function, but before that we will create its route as well. Straight away after this one we are going to create its route inside the admin middle group, and along with the other orders route we can create the route for this here as well. Route get route we are going to create, we'll make it like view order invoice. here the order invoice ID will come up, OrdersController, and here instead this one, view-order-invoice. Okay, so here it is, view-order invoice and OrdersController. View-order-invoice is the function. So here this function we are going to make in OrdersController. We are going to create at last. So in this function we are going to fetch the order details as well as the user details, and here we are going to return the order ID. Based on this order ID we are going to fetch in the same way like we have done in order details. Here as well we are going to fetch the order details. So we are going to copy this one, order details and user details. We both are required, so we can just copy this one, and we can also give it ID, no issue, same thing. So see, same order details we are having and user details also we are having, and both we will return to the order invoice that we are going to create in our next step. We are going to return view in under admin, under orders folder. We are going to create one file, and that will be called as order invoice, and we are going to return this with compact order details as well as user details. Fine, order details as well as user details. Now it seems to be fine. Okay, so both we are sending in order invoice blade file that we are going to create inside our folder, resources, views, and inside the admin folder. Here you can see orders. Along with these files, one file will be more there, that is the order underscore invoice. But I am going to create the file inside the Mac. See, in Mac we used to create the file like this, touch, and then what its name is order underscore invoice .blade.php. We will check now. Okay, it has been created now, order underscore invoice .blade.php. We can open this file, order underscore invoice. Okay, so our invoice will come up here. So we will search for some invoice template from online, so that we can copy the invoice template here. So we want the invoice template, we want to print some A4 invoice, so we want that template. We will search on Google. We will give the keyword like order invoice HTML template we require. See here the first link we can open. In the basic series as well you will see the same template, order invoice, same order invoice, so it's the perfect to understand and to integrate. So you can try this at your end as well. So we are going to create such kind of invoice that you are checking right now. So this is the HTML. Here HTML is given, so we are going to copy this HTML and we'll paste, and we are going to copy the CSS as well. So let's copy this complete HTML, and we can copy here. Let's copy, and you can see we will keep it like this. You can save these files and you can store in your project. Otherwise you can do it like this in the same way. Okay, so we can simply copy this one, and we can check, and also we are required to copy the style as well, so that also we can copy and we can paste it here as well, style also. Okay, so now we are going to check. We are going to open it. Sorry, yeah. Here we are going to check the view order invoice, that is fine. And here as well the URL is wrong. Here we require to give the view order invoice. We will give the view order invoice like this. Okay, so now it is fine. We can refresh and we'll click on this one. Here 404 is coming, view order invoice. We will check once that why this issue is coming. View order invoice, and then ID is there. So it seems to be fine though, and but why it is showing 404? Because we have not given the admin link at start. Now it must work fine, and also we can open this in new tab. We will give the target as blank, and now we can refresh and we can go again. And now you can see the invoice template, and this is the invoice template, and you can check it one in print view that it is coming fine or not. You can see that it seems to be working fine, and you can see in landscape and portrait mode, and you can see it seems to be working fine here. Okay, coming in A4 size. We can able to use this invoice. So let's pass the data dynamically to this invoice so that we can make it dynamic. Okay, so here we will show the billing address if you are having any billing address. Otherwise we are going to show the delivered address here, and payment method we will show our payment method COD or whatever we are using, prepaid, and if any payment gateway is there. So order date also, order summary also, like product details we are going to show, subtotal, shipping extra we are going to show, total also we are going to show. So let's make this invoice dynamic. Okay, so we are already passing the order details and user details. First of all, we are going to make the order ID dynamic, and this one dollar order details ID like this. And here we are going to we are having the user details as well. You can see here that we are passing the orders details as well as the user details. So here we are going to add the user details, order user details, name, then address, then we are going to give all that are required, like city, state, country, pin code, mobile. So we are going to remove all this, and now we are going to give the same in shipped address as well, and but here we are going to change it with order details instead of user details. Everything else will remain the same. Okay, so after that, the payment method we know that we have given, we are having the payment method as well, order details. Here we will give payment method that will come like prepaid or COD. Okay, So here order date will come up. So after this we are going to show the product details. So here instead of item we are going to show the complete product details. We can give item as well. In item we are going to show all the item details, no issue, and price, quantity, totals. Okay, so here we will show the item details, and first of all we will add the for each loop, like they have shown the sample. So we are going to add the for each loop here, and we are going to remove the unwanted TRs. Here we can remove all these, and here we can add the for each loop, and we have the that dollar order details, and then orders underscore products as dollar product. Okay, so this one we are getting inside, you can see orders underscore products. Okay, so the same we are going to fetch here as dollar product. So here we are going to complete this and for each, and here we are going to show the complete details like item. In item we can show the product code, product size. Okay, so we can do like this, like we can show the name. We can try showing like this, and if it seems to be fine, then we will keep it. Then we'll give break here. Like this we are going to give all, like name, code, site, even we can show the color as well. Okay, so here we are going given product name, product code, product site, product color, and here we are going to show, first of all we are going to close this one. And here we are going to show the prices of the product as well. So here we are going to copy this one, we'll paste up here. You can give your currency as well. So here it will come like product price, and we can show the currency as well in R, and here we are going to show the quantity, product underscore QTY, sorry, and here we are going to show the subtotal. Okay, so for that we are going to multiply price with quantity, and we'll show here the INR as well. Here we are going to show the INR as well, and now we are going to multiply the price into quantity like this. Okay, so in subtotal, see, first of all we will check up till this thing. We're going to refresh here, and you can see the details are coming here. Ship to, here everything is coming. Bill to, we have only name and mobile. Okay, and payment method is like this. You can make the bill to mandatory as well if you want the complete details of the user. Okay, so here the item, see item, in item it is coming name, code, size, color, and price is coming here, total is coming here, subtotal, that is. So we are going to show the subtotal, shipping, coupon, and will finally total. Okay, so here we are going to show the subtotal, and for subtotal we will calculate the subtotal here, and for that we can do like this. See, we can also start and close PHP like this in Laravel, and here we will give the subtotal, like we will give like the subtotal equal to 0. First of all we will refresh here. Okay, so here before for each we can calculate the subtotal here. We are going to make it like subtotal equal to dollar subtotal plus, then this one will come once again, go to take bracket, will price into quantity will come up here like this. Okay, so it seems to be fine, and we can close the sorry, bracket is already closed, and now we are going to close the PHP as well. So this subtotal we are going to show here. We can check once. Okay, so this is the subtotal, and shipping, right now shipping is 0, but in future we are going to do the shipping module, then the shipping will come here as well, but right now we are going to show it in our see, and also we are going to show the discount. If there is any discount we will give like this discount, and if there is any discount that we are taking, okay, inside I think that one is we will check what variable we have taken, order details for discount coupon. See here, coupon amount. Okay, if there is any coupon amount, then we are going to show the coupon amount here as well like this. Okay, and finally we are going to show the grand total also we are having in our grand total. Okay, so here you can check once. See, discount we will only show if there is actual any discount, otherwise we will not show it at all. Okay, we will give the condition if it is greater than 0, then only we are going to show. Okay, so you can check here subtotal 965, and here we can give it grand total as well, and also we can give it like this subtotal, and here we can give grand total like this, and now it seems to be better. Okay, so you can see our invoice is almost getting ready, and order date format, we are having the order date format here somewhere, and we can copy this one is the format, order date format, so we can copy this format and we'll paste it here, then it will be fine as well. Now you can check, now it is fine, order date. Okay, so here the complete info is coming, ship to info is coming, and you can even do it like this, like you can make it city and state together to so that less space it will consume, and you can show the country and pin code together like this. Okay, so you can also do it like this, it looks fine, and you can even give it in one line. Now you can see ship to Amit Gupta, and this is the address, and this is the pin code and everything. Okay, so here as well you can give here in commas as well, or see if there is any particular address, then you can give, otherwise you are not required to show these. And you can also add the conditions here, like it is coming, that of if not empty, then only it will come. And here you can give comma as well, and you can give and if, and same thing for city as well. You can close this one, you can give here city, same thing for state as well, you can give it here, you can give state, same for country, and same for pin code as well. Now we can refresh and we can see unwanted space has been removed away. Okay, so here you can also print this invoice and you can check, it seems to be working fine. Okay, you can simply in Mac it is showing like this, and maybe in Windows it will show the more details. Okay, but it seems to be in A4 size paper and it seems to be fine. You can choose the A4 size here. Okay, so it seems to be perfect. Okay, so our invoice is ready, and you can see now it is complete dynamic, and you can take the printout. And in next video we will work on the barcode. See, barcode is required in some of the invoices as well. So with barcode the customer can able to fetch the details of the order. So barcode we will do in next video. Some kind of barcode becomes the standard, so that we are going to do in next video. But without barcode as well, this invoice will work fine. If you require, you can just make this kind of invoice for your orders, then it will also work. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.